What's up, guys? Another vlog at the drift event. Huh, babe? It's fucking second event,
yeah. It's our second time.
Yep, it's fucking cold as fuck again. And it rained in the morning, so I haven't been filming. But now it dried up. And it's fucking beautiful now.
The sky's so blue.
Hell yeah.
The clouds are large.
But I've only done like 2 sessions now. And it's gonna be the 3rd one, so I can start filming some good shots. Fuck, I haven't recorded since I wrapped the car. It's been that long. Yeah, so the car's purple. My bash bars are teal. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, they're already on. Like, I posted pictures on it already. Also, I gotta reveal some wheels I got, but I'll wait. Could they see them? Oh fuck, they kind of could see them. I guess you guys could see them. It's over there. It's kind of hard to see, but I'll mount them on. I'll mount them on later when I go 5-leg swap. And then I gotta get some spacers because the wheels I got are pretty high offset and they do hit the coil. So I gotta fix that shit too. Alright, let's get it. Oh shit, that was a long ass day. So fun. Oh my my gosh. Did you have fun, babe?
I had so much fun.
Oh my gosh. The homie Michael and Hector came by. Damn, it looked like they had hella fun. So they'll be back next time. I told them they could drive my car, so they'll come a little earlier. But fuck, check it out.
Burnt rubber, Ed.
I know, man. So crazy.
One's tire popped.
Yup, it was crazy.
Cones got eaten.
I ate a couple cones, and babe fucking recorded hella driving, so I'm fucking excited for that. We were fucking smashing. Shout out to Drift Central for the dope ass event. Happy Valentine's. Fucking, we'll be back next event, stronger. Hopefully I got some more parts, better wheels, and just more practice, more seat time. Alright, we out.
Out.
Deuce.